Welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. We are her crew, Michelle, Tran, Fleur and Anouk. Join us as we continue our journey to get to know and fall in love with our new Contest 36 named Empress. Be part of our adventure. We hope you enjoy our videos. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment, and don't forget to leave a like.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. In this episode we still stuck in Cascais. One low after the other one is coming over this way, about 2 a week. So we're just waiting it out. It looks like coming Tuesday, Wednesday there's a tiny little window we might grab. But the weather changes every day. So in this episode we're going to show you a few things we've been doing the last week. We said goodbye to our buddy boat. They decided to go this Monday. They made it to Lagos. It was a very wobbly trip. We decided not to go because I don't want to put my family through 24 hours of seasickness. So we stayed put.
It went away. I didn't do anything.
Are you doing Minecraft?
Yes.
What are you guys doing?
I'm trying to do the mine server thing. Where did I find it? Here it is. On
We moeten alleen maar één hebben.
Ja, maar hij reageert veel gekker.
Ah!
Ik kom in bokjes, ik kom in bokjes.
The doggies are leaving and we're gonna wave them out.
Okay, cool. Here they come. Bye!
Bye!
Bye.
See you in Lagos!
So after saying goodbye, last minute goodbye to our buddy boat from Thees Bott, I got a bit of it in a flap with the weather. I looked at the weather forecast and it just doesn't stop with lows coming through. Normally we don't sail over 2 meters of waves. They left with a prediction of 2.4 meters. I was a bit in a flap. And on Wednesday in the morning I saw a little opportunity and I decided that we're just gonna go and stuff it and go as well. When I opened the engine room to do the final engine check before departure, I found a broken off bolt and quickly worked out that it came from the exhaust. So that was a no-go for leaving because there was probably lots of motoring, and we decided to stay. So we made the last minute decision to go at like 9 o'clock to go at 11, and then I did an engine inspection and I found this. This was lying in the engine room, and it's a bolt, one of the bolts of the exhaust system. It holds the mixing elbow onto the riser. So that's a no-go. So I'm going to get this out, see if we can get it out. If not, then we're going to stay here.
Meanwhile, I took the girls to the botanical gardens and we attempted to do some homework. What, the cookie?
Yeah.
Oh, right. We'll tell him that. No, don't give him any crumbs. No, it's not allowed. Look how massive it is.
He doesn't even react.
He's right there.
Yeah, he didn't react.
Look.
What? Come and help me though.
Oh, I wouldn't be surprised if he jumps up. It's like getting ready to jump. Alright, shall we get... That's a reason to stop doing your schoolwork, isn't it?
So I brought the broken part yesterday to the marine shop, and they got the locksmith to drill it out. So I'm going to go and pick it up now. walking through the rain to get to the Chinese shop to get some sandpaper to prep the exhaust flange for the new seal. So yesterday, with the removing of the exhaust, I actually pulled two of the studs out of the engine block. So I'm going to clean this up. I've cleaned up the studs already, and I'm going to glue them back in. So I need to get some special heat resistant Loctite, which I can borrow here from the marine shop, which is really, really nice. So yeah, I'm going to clean this up now.
What's happening in this scene? Someone's riding in a carriage?
I think they're getting a baby, and then the angel at the back's getting a baby. Because they both have big bellies.
Yeah. The cherubs?
Mm-hmm. What are
and
cherubs?
the chubby angels.
Oh yeah.
And what else is happening in this scene? Someone's right. This looks like a priesty person. Horses are getting ridden. The sun and the moon are depicted in the
Sun stuff.
like repetition in the faces, or not?
Sun. There's some people that are sad, some people are happy, some people have glasses, some people are talking to each other.
Hmm. Hmm.
To the open.
Wow, a massive sunfish.
Big sunfish.
Or it's called the
Mola mola.
Yeah, very good.
Life size of a young and the subadults.
That's massive.
It's so big. That could nearly fill my entire bed. Eggs, and this is probably a wait, this is the real life size. And this is also a real life size. Wow, they're pretty big in real life.
Big as a little boat. A tinny. I think that's a leatherback. You're giving him a cuddle. Oh.
All the birds attacking. All of a sudden someone appears and gives every